so I just pulled over to make some food. I'm trying to get in the habit of not making any food near camp just because it is bear country, which is why I've got bear spray. But right now it's raining, which, like I said before, it should be raining for the next like 5-6 days, so I'm getting used to it at this point. But I think on the menu for tonight we've got sweet potatoes, chicken, and then Brussels sprouts, I believe. So we'll see how that goes, but yeah. So I just got camp set up. It started to rain pretty heavy as I was setting up, so we got the tarp overhead for the night, but pretty sure it's supposed to get worse. So I'm gonna try to go to bed now and then get up pretty early in the morning and just get out of here. So if it isn't raining in the morning, I'll make breakfast, but if it's raining, I'm just gonna pack the camp and then head out. But just a little update, I did crash the drone again and one of the arms broke off, so I just ordered in a new set to a UPS store about a couple hours away, so it doesn't get here until Saturday, which is another day. So we'll just camp out, burn some time, and then go pick it up and then continue the trip. So there was a few leaks inside the tent. This river or stream is definitely just over flooded right now, and it's all over this road.